Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Korean lunar calendar to your calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, tap on calendar and then tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out menu, you want to tap on the settings button. In the calendar settings, you want to go down and tap on alternate calendar. And in here, choose Korean Lunar. Now tap on the back key to go back to your calendar. And you can see here at the bottom of the main date, there is a smaller number. And that is your Korean lunar calendar date at the bottom of the larger number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.